What's going on, everybody? And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can build your funnel in 5 minutes or less. If you want to have a free trial for Coach Marketing Hub, which replaces 15 different apps on the internet, click the link below, get your 2 weeks free trial and build your own 5-minute funnel. Let's get this party started. Alrighty, so first, this is the dashboard of Coach Marketing Hub. So on the left, you can see sites. You would cruise over to sites and then click on funnels on the top. And if you get a free account, you will have all sorts of funnels already preloaded into your account. So you don't need to go and build those from scratch. Okay. So now we want to go and we want to build just a simple freebie funnel. So for this, you would go ahead and you would just create a copy of a funnel, click on the 3 dots on the right, click clone, and then write your name here. Let's call it demo freebie funnel, because since that's a demo freebie funnel, okay? So the funnel will show up here. All you need to do is click inside of the funnel, and then ta-da, there you go. You have those 2 steps, which is number 1, the landing page, is number 2, the thank you page, where people will be forwarded to once they opted in, okay? So to edit the landing page, you click on edit and open the landing page in a new tab. And there you have it. You have your landing page with some copywriting tips. You would put your headline here, a picture of your freebie, for example, the 3 things why people should download it, and then some testimonials. So there's the button here. People would click on that button in order to download the free resource. Now, once you click on that button, there should be a pop-up opt-in form popping up. So now we're going to go over to sites and then to forms and into the form builder. And in the form builder, you also have already pre-made forms. We seek the freebie form here. And then just make a copy of that freebie demo. Okay, hit copy. And it copies the already existing form into our form builder. So here we go, freebie form. Click inside of the freebie form. Ta-da! Here you go. Is the freebie form already? Full name, email address, phone number. We always want to collect a phone number. It's very profitable data to have. And then the GDPR-friendly box to tick and then download now, okay? All you got to do now is click into options and place your link, the thank you page link. To get the thank you page link, go back to the main funnel, click on settings. You would need to select a domain which you already connected, and then it creates an actual domain. So click on the thank you and you see the domain here. So this is our thank you page domain. We copy this, cruise back into the form builder, paste it into the form builder, hit save form, and that's it. That's the form done, okay, freebie demo form. So now we want to refresh this page and we want to connect the freebie demo form to the freebie landing page button. How do we do that? We just cruise over to the button, click on the button. Then you see on the left, a new menu pops up. You scroll down all the very way to the bottom here. Button actions, link to open pop-up, which is what we want. Then click on pop-up right at the top. And here you go, your pop-up comes here. Just delete that for a moment and show you how to do that. If it would be a different form, click form, and then you would go and select the form. Freebie demo, that's the one. Here we go. And then top right corner, just simply hit save. These are our SEO options. And hit save, and then it saves the form connected to the right landing page. And the form is also connected to the right thank you page, okay? So now we have the landing page ready. Now the thank you page, simply, we open it in a new tab as well. Ta-da! And here's the thank you page, right? Hey, almost done progressing. Watch this video. In this video, you can invite people to your Facebook group or Instagram or YouTube or whatever, tickles your fancy. And that's it. And now the next step and the last step is to create a workflow where the freebie gets delivered. Now we have created a landing page. We've created the opt-in page and connected the thank you page to those 3 elements. But now the freebie needs to be delivered to the people's inboxes, right? So let's hover over to automation on the left, workflows on the top. You already have the freebie workflow master uploaded in your account if you get the free trial, and then hit clone. Okay, freebie workflow demo. We create the workflow. Here it is. We click inside of it. Ta-da! And here's the freebie workflow demo. So now what we're going to do is the first step is the form submitted. We need to select the form, which is our demo form, right? Freebie demo, and hit save trigger. So the action is once someone submits the freebie demo form, the system will tag them with a specific tag. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a tag, freebie demo tag. Okay, here we go. Select that. Okay, hit save. Okay, so now we want to deliver the email. Click onto the box. The email is already here. You want to send a little bit of funny text. You want to place your link to the freebie PDF inside this email. And that's it. Hit save action. You also want to trigger an SMS. You can click on the box here. Say, hey, Tina, just sent you my free guide on X topic. Would love to know your thoughts. Best, Tina. So hit save action. And that's it. Top right corner, you would need to hit save. And then also just move it from draft to publish and hit save. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is your funnel. Let me just show you real quick how that looks in action. So now this is the funnel, okay? Click on the button, the form will pop up. Let's say we just sign up here. Ta-da, we're being forwarded to the thank you page, which is what we wanted. And then the system will deliver the email freebie and the SMS to our inbox now. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is your funnel built in 5 minutes or less. Again, if you want to try out Coach Marketing Hub, which replaces 15 different apps on the internet, click the link below and I will see you on the other side for a free onboarding session where we will build your funnel with you together. See you then.